Hello, everyone. Are you ready to learn colors? Let's go! Repeat after me. Red, red, orange, orange, yellow, yellow, green, green, blue, blue, purple, purple, black, black, white, white, brown, brown, pink, pink, gray, gray. Let's use the colors in sentences. Listen and repeat. The poppy is red. Carrots are orange. Look, a yellow bird. The grass is green. Look at the blue sky. The purple fish is cool. The cat is black. Milk is white. I love this brown puppy. This pink piglet is cute. Oh no, gray clouds. Let's say the colors again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, black, white, brown, pink, gray. Good job. You are amazing. See you next time.